How to use natural light with strobe to make people look more attractive. This is a way to make people look more attractive by using a strobe light in a hallway with beautiful natural light. Today, I will be shooting at Pase Nuevo Studio in Mito. This is what the patio here looks like. Stylish, isn't it? First, let's take a photo without using a strobe. When I adjusted the brightness to the background, the subject became dark. You can use Photoshop to brighten it up later, but if you set the exposure to the subject, the background will be too bright. Therefore, I use a strobe to brighten the subject. I will use the Godox 8200 again this time. First, let's use the strobe directly to the subject. The brightness of the person looks good, but the strobe is too hot, so the shadows are clearly visible. In this case, it looks like the light has been applied artificially and it doesn't look very nice. Next, I will attach a softbox and take a photo. I use the Godox parabolic softbox, which is easy to use on location. Since I'm using a softbox, the light is softer, making it look more natural and nice than before. Next time, I will set the softbox to the right behind the subject and aim for semi-backlighting. Then reflect the strobe light on the reflector board and shine it on the subject. The face was a little dark, but the edge light came in and the light was soft, giving the photo a nice atmosphere. Finally, I removed the softbox and bounced the strobe light onto the pillar. Although the pillar is not very wide, the light is soft as if it had been hit by a softbox. You can do this even without having to bother with the softbox. As a variation, let's have the subject move back and bounce the strobe off the pillar behind her in the same way. Just as in the previous example, this image beautifully brings out the subject's charm. Even with a single strobe, you can create a variety of atmosphere depending on how you use it. Please give it a try.